Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what to do in Athens, Greece. Begin your journey at the magnificent Acropolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where you can marvel at the Parthenon, a Doric temple dedicated to the goddess Athena. Afterwards, immerse yourself in history at the modern Acropolis Museum, housing over 4,000 artifacts. Conclude your first day by exploring the charming, historic Plaka neighborhood, perfect for a leisurely evening stroll. Continue your historical exploration at the ancient agora, once the bustling heart of public life. Imagine Socrates walking these grounds. Next, stand in awe before the massive ruins of the Temple of Olympian Zeus, a truly monumental structure. Don't miss the ceremonial changing of the guard at the tomb of the unknown soldier, performed by the Evzones in their traditional attire, a unique cultural experience. Indulge in Athens' vibrant culinary scene by dining at a traditional taverna, enjoying dishes like moussaka or souvlaki. For a true local experience, visit the Central Municipal Market, a bustling hub offering fresh produce, meats, and spices. Afterwards, find tranquility amidst the city's hustle with a relaxing walk through the beautiful National Garden, a green oasis spanning over 38 acres. Extend your Athenian adventure with a memorable day trip to Cape Saunion, home to the stunning Temple of Poseidon, offering breathtaking sunset views over the Aegean Sea. For navigating the city, the Athens Metro is incredibly efficient and convenient. Remember to wear comfortable walking shoes, as you'll be exploring many historical sites on foot, ensuring a pleasant and enjoyable visit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.